Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com and I have a special kit for you. This is our limited edition Easter 2020 kit. I'm going to start off with the stamp set, which is so cute. It's a 6x8 stamp set that features some really great illustrated bunnies. Two of the bunnies are either sitting or leaping, and then there's one bunny at the bottom that's sitting in a basket. There's also some silhouette bunnies at the bottom that you can create a border, and lots of fantastic messages to put together along with the eggs. I'm going to jump a little ahead and I'm going to show you these little pom-poms from Doris. You get 25 of these little white pom-poms and they fit perfectly onto those bunny tails. So once you make your card, you can just glue those in place and you have a nice little puffy tail for your bunnies. Also in this kit, we've included a Simon Says Stamp basket die, and this cuts out the entire basket, and in the center there's an egg, and for this example I've just cut out some pattern papers. There's a little weave pattern to this die. I'm not sure if you can see it in this light, but it gives you that little weave pattern on the basket portion of the die. Super cute. You can add your pattern papers or even just your solid papers. We've also included the Simon Says Stamp Peeking Bunny die, and that cuts a circle around the little bunny face. So you can cut this right into some cardstock. I've just backed this with a piece of pink so you can see the little bunny face. Another fun thing that we've added for this kit is the Grassy Edges stencil from Simon Says Stamp and also a blender brush. You'll also get a cube of the Simon Says Stamp hybrid Lucky ink pad so that you can create your own little grassy edges for your bunnies. Also included are 3 craft eggs from Doris, and these are a heavy-duty craft paper along with those strings on each. You'll also receive 2 off-white tags that you can add to your cards. From Craft Consortium, we have these metal charms. They are rabbits, and there's also a hole at the top so that you can suspend or tie them onto your tags. Also from Craft Consortium is a pack of their Adhesive Pearls, and these are perfect spring colors. This is from their Farm Meadow collection. You'll also receive a pack of Sequins, and these are from 28 Lilac and Lane Hearts and Bunnies. These are fairly iridescent, so they will reflect in either a pink or yellow color. There are also the white regular sequins in there, which are also a little bit iridescent. Also included in this kit is a full jar of the new Distress Embossing Glaze, and this is cracked pistachio. It will emboss kind of a clear but green color. Another fun thing that we've added is the Simon Says Stamp Flock Transfer Sheets. These are from Thermal Web, and there's that nice velvety texture, and there's also adhesive backing. The papers for this kit are 6x6, and these are from Authentique. They are called Cottontail, and they are double-sided. You will get 8 sheets in total. These have a beautiful vintage feel to them. There's a lot of old-time imagery, plus a lot of muted tone patterns that are perfect for this limited edition Easter kit. Also on the back is a fantastic basket weave pattern. We've included 3 envelopes in this kit. The first one is ivory, then lemon chiffon, and also metallic cotton candy. And those all have that peel and stick adhesive. We have 4 cardstocks for you. The first one is lemon chiffon, ivory, cotton candy, and surf blue. I've created a couple inspiration cards for you. This first one, I did a no-line watercoloring of one of the bunnies, and then I masked in some tulips and eggs. I also added one of the little cottontails to the bunny's tail and also a few pearls and added my message. This next is a tag that I covered with some of the pattern paper. I die cut the basket with eggs, added one of those rabbit charms to the top, and also my message over top. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our limited edition Easter 2000 card kit. Be sure to check out our blog for additional inspiration and also our galleries. And as always, thanks so much for watching.